Okay, so in a few, I will be going to the airport for my flight to Prague. Any reaction for the Peanut Gallery?
Alright, naka-gallery na tayo. Kasi
Okay.
I'm using this one. Ay, hindi makita.
Okay.
Kaso lang, ano siya maluwag yung ano niya dito, connection. So, nawawala yun. Anyway, talaga, how far is the airport from the...
I Googled mapped it once, but I don't remember now. It's not near. Unlike here in Geneva, that the airport is really just very near. I think doon parang outside of Prague pa ata siya. But since I'm arriving 9 p.m., una, akala ko si Jaggy lang magsusundo. Pero kanina, sabi ni Jaggy, he and his wife will pick me up from the airport.
ganyan
Kahiya.
ka, ano, ganyan ka influential sa DC.
Influencer.
Anyway, it's like family to
Christmas
DC.
tree. Is that a virtual Christmas tree or is that an actual Christmas tree at the amenity?
It is an actual Christmas tree. So hindi ko alam kung sinong gumamit yan. Kung remnants yan ng may nag-Christmas party recently. Alam mo naman pag may mga Christmas party at may mga decoration, ina-arbor na ng BOT.
I know, right? Ay,
Yan.
mukha siyang Photoshop. Totoo pala siya.
Actually, nandoon siya sa gilid ng wall, sa corner. But since I wanted
Mm.
to take a photo for a virtual background, I put it there. I have different angles of that.
Okay.
Diba? Ang
That
dami ko nang
explains it.
i-edit. Ang hirap mag-edit. You know, my back is very painful again.
Ayun, so I'm leaving in maybe 20 minutes. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is to just arrange the chocolate bars. I will put it sa aking duffel bag as my carry-on.
Ah.
And
Lagay mo sa plastic. Although it's cold
yun,
there, I'm worried it's going to melt.
yun na nga eh. Actually, yun din yung iniisip ko. Pero since cold naman, but syempre sa room, may heater, di ba? So, I don't
Yeah.
know. I will ask Diagi if she can put them temporarily in the fridge.
Oh, bakit
Yes.
naman hindi? You know, you
Anyway,
don't
it's
have
for
to put it
DC
in the...
naman.
Ah,
And
yes,
it's
yes.
her birthday today. So, okay,
Sino? Ulit.
fine.
I'm missing, ano, can you rewind what you just said?
Well, I just asked Jackie if she can put the chocolate bars in the fridge. Total, it's for DC, sabi ko, and it's her birthday today. Well, finally, I'm down to my last stop.
Ah,
So, I'll see you soon.
the visit to the UN was
That's something to look
overwhelming.
forward to. It was. And ang napansin ko, syempre ang daming kilala ni Emma kasi she works there. Kada may babatiin siya, grabe sila makasmile, very friendly. Tapos kahit yung cashier dun sa CAF, she was so friendly. Hindi lang siya nakikismall talk, parang a little bit more than that pa. So, wala, parang ang saya lang mga tao doon. Yun ang impression ko.
That's diplomacy
So,
in action.
maybe it's also the environment. It's a good work environment. Ayun, so pumasok kami nga dun sa assembly. Yun yung picture na pinadala ko with a microphone and headset.
Uh,
And so Baby T represented the Jurassic world at the UN convention.
yeah. I did not expect that.
So, yarn.
Are
I
you
also didn't
able?
expect, I thought it
Okay.
was just, okay, we'll see her office, pero yun pala, kasi it's really the HQ. Kasi, although New York is also an HQ because nandun yung Secretary General, siya nag-office. Pero officially, sa Geneva talaga because Switzerland is neutral country, di ba? And UN is supposed to be neutral. So, yon yarn. So that was a good way to cap my Geneva, my Switzerland tour. the Switzerland leg of my journey. And now, diplomatic na naman. So, these are experiences that I don't normally have in my travels.
Yeah.
So
Can you
exciting.
put the hand that holds the camera against the wall? Kasi you're shaking the. Can you rest the
Okay.
hand that holds the camera against the wall so you don't have to do that?
Yeah. I am now doing it. Ah, tapos, ano pa ba? I'm just ready also to go home in, 3 days na lang, diba?
Mm,
So, also looking forward to that, to be honest.
yeah.
I really just want to go home. So,
Your mission is not
let's
finished
get
yet.
this flag leg. Hindi ko na yata gagawin ito next time. 3 weeks is too much. I think 12 days is should be the max. Hindi kaya ang ganito. It's very exhausting, both physically and emotionally.
Yes. Well, you're there to ano, to to work, 'di ba? Tapos namamasyal ka din, alam mo yun. Anyway, I think the signal is a bit spotty.
The what?
Yeah, you can't hear. It's a spotty, the signal. There's a lag time, may latency.
Spotty.
Anyway,
And I have to finish packing. So I'll message you when I
you're
get to
not
the
done
airport.
packing.
Okay. Only the chocolates. Nga, I will pack my carry on now. But the big Echo Lock is already locked. Na Echo Lock ko na siya. Okay.
Adieu. See you soon. Au revoir.
See you.